Ayo, 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 ayo. What the fuck do y'all know about Sematary? What the fuck do y'all know about Sematary? I know a lot. I listen to him a lot. And we're going to be reacting to Chainsaw Party by Sematary. And shouts out Grave Man. He produced it. I don't know who. I don't know. Does he produce his own shit? I don't fucking know. All I know is he got some good shit. And let's react to this track. With that fucking cowbell. It's kind of off beat though. Ooh. This is beautiful. This is fucking beautiful. Saw party, what? I think I might have heard this before, but this shit's fire. What? 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 This is beautiful. This is some of the most beautiful music I've ever fucking heard. This shit hurts. That's how good it is. If Satan and Chief Keef link, that's a funny comment. If somebody DM me, let's have a chainsaw party. This shit's fucking gas, right? This is amazing. Greasy ass Chief Keef type shit. Fuck it, yeah, bro. This shit's insane. What? What? I don't give a fuck. It's a chainsaw party. This shit's amazing. Bro, and that kick roll, that fucking kick roll, dude. What the fuck? What? What? Ah, man. And that guitar. The guitar is so obnoxious but beautiful. This is amazing. Obnoxious but beautiful. That's the way I describe that track. That shit is fucking insanely good. Sematary, come on, you gotta hop on the podcast. But that shit, oh my god, that is... I'm gonna say that, that's obnoxiously beautiful. That's the way I describe that track. Obnoxiously beautiful. That's all I really have to say about that track. That shit's fucking masterpiece. And shouts out Sematary, one of the most unique artists ever right now. Shouts out to you. You're a blessing to the planet. And it's all love and positivity going your direction. Fucking love your music, man. That shit was insanely good. So shouts out to you. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what other Sematary tracks I should react to. And peace.